This is not just brinjal curry. This is Bharli Vangi, a Maharashtrian dish where every brinjal is gently stuffed, patiently cooked and treated with respect. In Marathi kitchens, this dish isn't made in a hurry. It's made when time slows down. Small brinjals are carefully stuffed and cooked with podi. It is often served with bhakri or rice shared from one pan. Nutty, earthy, deeply comforting, Bharli Vangi isn't fancy food. It's a home food. The kind that carries tradition, patience, and a quiet kind of love. Look for small, tender brinjals about the size of your thumb. They should be shiny, deep purple, and firm to the touch. We use desiccated coconut because it's consistent, easy to roast, and gives a nutty flavor without excess moisture. Avoid using fresh coconut, or your podi will turn watery. Use the lowest heat and toast the coconut until golden and aromatic. This takes 5 to 6 minutes. Don't rush it, as slow roasting brings out the natural nutty flavor. Transfer the toasted coconut to a separate bowl to cool. Then add some turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, some garam masala, and black pepper powder. For the seasoning, add sugar and salt. To add moisture, pour in oil and add a little amount of tamarind paste. Using your hands, mix the podi like a Maharashtrian would with care and patience. Take 2 to 3 minutes, letting the coconut and spices mingle fully until the aroma fills the air like a home kitchen. Now that the podi is ready, let's prepare the baby brinjals. Wash them thoroughly in water to remove any dirt. Then pat them dry gently. Dry brinjals help the podi stick better, so take your time. Now fetch some clean water and add some rock salt. You can use regular salt too, it's just to soak the brinjals. Give it a gentle mix, Maharashtrian style, to help the salt start dissolving. Even if some grains remain, it's fine. The brinjals will still soak and soften beautifully. Slit each brinjal from the bottom, halfway through, but not all the way. These slits create the perfect little pockets to hold the podi. Then, gently toss the slitted brinjals into the salted water for 10 minutes. After that, time to stuff the brinjals. Gently hold the slit with your fingers and push the podi in. Or use the back of a small knife to pack it deeper without breaking the brinjal. Use either technique to make sure the podi is stuffed into every brinjal evenly. This recipe makes extra podi, so keep the leftover for later. Remember, the podi is the heart of this dish. It's what gives the brinjals their flavor, aroma and character. No more waiting, let's start cooking. Heat some oil on a moderately high flame. Add some minced garlic, and a sprig of curry leaves. Fry until the garlic turns lightly golden. Be careful not to fully brown it or else it will taste bitter. Next, gently add the stuffed brinjals to the pan. Make sure to lower the flame. We want to fry the brinjals slowly. This helps them cook evenly and stay intact without breaking. Cook for 7 minutes. The brinjals now are softened slightly. Time to add the podi. Now add all of the podi to the pan. If it doesn't feel enough, you can make a little extra to coat the brinjals perfectly. Gently mix the podi with the brinjals, making sure each one is fully coated. Then splash a little water into the pan. This creates steam to help the brinjals cook evenly and lets the podi thicken into a smooth, flavorful coating. Reduce the flame to the lowest heat, cover the pan and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Remove the cover and dry roast the brinjals for 2 minutes until all the moisture has evaporated. At last, our podi is ready to shine. Look at these brinjals, soft, perfectly cooked and coated in a rich dark brown podi. Every slit is filled with the masala and the aroma is irresistible. Splash some water to clean the banana leaf, then place hot fluffy white rice on top. Take a few of the cooked brinjals and place them on hot rice. Spoon the remaining podi over generously, letting the rich dark masala falls like masala pieces. Just look at how tender and soft these brinjals are. Mix the podi and tender brinjals into the rice gently, just like Maharashtrians enjoy it one bite at a time. Every bite bursts with nutty, spicy and earthy flavors. Comfort food at its finest. For more home-style recipes and food stories, subscribe to our channel.